welcome to my channel. My name is OHLEEN and this is Modest Sisters. On this channel we talk about fashion, we talk about accessories, we talk about sustainable fashion and lifestyle. Today's video is focusing on the fashion element of this channel and we're talking dungarees. Dungarees, yes. I had a comment from one of you guys to do a video on dungarees and here it is. I want to focus on how to style them, how to get versatile looks from perhaps the same thing and what to look for when picking one, because of course, as you will see, let's just dive straight into it. You will see that there is the traditional dungarees, which is just a denim blue dungarees. I have mine from Miss 60. I bought it on ASOS. It was on sale. Those are the things I'm always keen for. Sale, easily accessible, and a good brand that will offer me quality. Mine is really cool because it's got some stickers and it's got a few rips and it's just cool and a little bit edgy. And of course I can wear it casual, super casual, because it's denim and it's got the loose ends on each leg, so that's a bit edgy as well. I put a basic black t-shirt on this one just to show you that you can do as simple as you want, really. So whatever you have, be it a t-shirt, be it a jumper, be it you know, some kind of jazzy top, you really can, because number one, it's quite plain. It's just one solid color, blue, and a light blue in this particular example. So inside you can put also a light top or a dark top like I did. You can also get away with print because it's a solid color. You can also get away with patterns because it's a solid color. So you're really spoiled for choice in terms of what you can style this dungaree with. To amp it up, I unfolded the trousers, the legs, so that it looks a little bit more straight-legged and a little bit less casual. I had heels on because they just elevate any denim look that you've got going on. When you put heels on denim, it's just more dressy, and that's what I was trying to show you. You can put flats on this, you can wear trainers with this, you can wear sandals with these, of course. Whatever shoe you select, it's just going to be the telling for what kind of vibe you're going for, whether casual, smart, edgy, etc. Now I chucked on a bomber jacket, which is a very different color to what's going on. It was just this orange, burnt brown type of color with her highlighter orange inside, and that was just to show you that you really can do what you want in terms of jacket. You can go as casual as you want, you can go as smart as you want, and it will work with this blue denim dungarees. It will work. I could have thrown on a camel coat and looked really formal, and it would have looked really edgy. Why? Because I'm wearing heels, because I'm wearing sandal heels. I play around with my dungarees. I want to say hands, I want to say handles, straps. You can wear them down, up the way they're supposed to be, one up, one down, totally up to you. The flap completely down, it's totally up to you. Again, dependent on what vibe you're going for and the look you're going for and what you're comfortable with. I'm going to touch on later on in this video what to do with. Sometimes it is denim dungarees are that kind of outfit that once you've worn it, when you wear it a second time, everyone knows what it is. So part of versatility, I believe, is being able to wear something and it looking like a completely different item. And I'm going to talk about that later on in the video, because you can do that. Next up is a dungaree dress. This is to show you the different types of dungarees that you can get. You can get play suit style, you can get short style, as in shorts, but with the upper part of a dungaree. You can get skirts with the upper part of the dungaree, and this is what we have here. This one is a Tommy Hilfiger one. It's really cool. It's Tommy Hilfiger in collaboration with Looney Tunes, which is fun. It's just great because again, around the bottom is loose, so you've got some threads going on, giving you that super casual vibe as well. Because really, denim dungarees are supposed to be super casual, because back in the days they were what was affordable and functional. Back in the days. So, but we have turned them into fashion statements, and that's pretty cool. That's fine. My choice of shoes is to show you how super casual, super girly, super young you can go with this dungaree skirt, and that's exactly what I was going for. I love these shoes. I love them. There's no how I will walk past you and you will not notice them, because they're that good. I love them, and they're so comfortable, super comfortable. So I paired them up with these buffalo platform sandals, and at the next change I put on a jumper. And that jumper was a great match because it had some color block going on, which complemented the Tommy Hilfiger logo. Now, basically the lesson here is, if you have some kind of pattern naturally existing on your dungarees, if you also have a top that complements that pattern, pair it up because it will look well put together. If you don't, no worries, you don't have to go and buy something new just for this one look, but just pay attention to different things that you have in your wardrobe. The same applies as for the dungaree trouser, really. Jumpers, t-shirts, a blouse will work. And again, I did show you that with the blouse, it's something that is associated with being quite formal, and I mixed the two. With the blouse, it's a very silky looking, shiny material, very delicate. And in contrast, we have it paired with denim. The denim and the silk, soft, formal, creates that smart, casual, edgy vibe that you can go for in the name of versatility. And then I changed my shoes to pick my nude sandal heels again, nude complementing the blouse, and my bag, just up in an upper level in terms of, shoes, so that I'm ready for whatever I want to go to that, requires me to dress up. So not only can I dress it down, I can dress it up by my choice of inner wear, and that is the power that you have. Next up for me is a Pinafore dress. Now, this is not a dungaree as such because it's not classed as that, it's called a pinafore. But I put it into this equation because of the structure at the top. It's very similar to dungarees. Now, it can be just that dress that you are able to just wear to work, dressed up, dressed down in terms of pumps. And then you can wear outerwears that are interesting. You can wear certain accessories because on its own, it's very loud. There is not a lot I personally would recommend to do to it because it's quite statementy. The texture of the material, the button detail, you don't want to get in the way of that. Instead, accessorize, go crazy with accessories if you want. Jewelry, watch, the bag. I had quite a big bag and I had my sunglasses on as well. So because the dress is so pretty on its own, it's doing just fine. Don't touch it. Personally, I didn't touch it. I kept my shoes simple and I, dabbled in my accessories. You will see that a fail happened. A fail happened with one of the beautiful checked dresses, Pinafore. It didn't go past my hip. It was just a fail. And this was me having ordered a large. It still didn't go past my hip. So that's a shame. And it happens. It happens when you shop online and you just have to keep it moving. Last but not least is this baby that I'm wearing here. Now this is a denim cream dungaree. At the beginning when I spoke of having dungarees and trying to dress them up, sometimes they can be a bit too casual. Now, a few tips from me in terms of achieving a more smart and more formal look with dungarees. The beautiful thing about them is once it's on, it's a one piece. It's ready, you're good to go. And the downside is the toilet part, but hey ho. So I would say, number one, pay attention to the color that you pick. Okay, if you already have a blue one, then then that's fine. That's your casual, that's your playground for different types of looks, okay? If you have loads of jeans, perhaps it's not necessary for you to go and get Dungarees denim blue. Perhaps get a lighter color like so. And you know, by getting a lighter color, you're able to dress it up and down easily. You can amp up the antes by putting a belt in this section, changing the inner wear, or leaving it as it is, as I'm wearing it right now. Your accessories will play a role, and then your shoes. Release those legs, unfold them, and let it just be a straight leg. Pick the right shoe. I had the slightly pinky orangey heel, which gave me that really dressed up formal look. Another cool thing about buying a solid light color is the ability to play with pattern. You can play with pattern for on pattern, either through the top inside or the outerwear. I chucked on a blazer which is cream with some brown checks, brown and red checks, and that worked beautifully. Match made in heaven. So again, because also the blazer had some shoulders which were very statementy, it complemented the dungarees because they're very simple, right? So those are things that you should really pay attention to, and it's important when you're shopping in general, pick items that have some unique detail to them because they will help when you're trying to combine things, especially when your main piece is encouraged to be quite simple so that you can build on it. And that's basically what we have going on here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned one or two things. Comment below what's your favorite, which one would you wear, where would you wear it, and any questions that you may have for me. If I've missed out anything, please let me know. If you want me to do more detailed videos about something that I touched on in this video, please let me know. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and thank you for subscribing if you have. I really appreciate the support. It's been so good to get encouragement from you guys to be consistent, and I think, yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video.